Demanding. We know there was a decision spoken to by the IG yesterday to have interdicted all officers who were at Central Police Station and could have had a role or some role in the handling of Albert Ojwang in any way or knowledge. We don't want only those officers. We want all officers who were involved in any way, whether they are the officers who were arrested, whether they are the officers who were at Central Police Station, whether they are the officers who interrogated, because this interrogation apparently has now led to death, and your guess could be as good as mine. It is now confirmed by the report that the gentleman was tortured and was killed while in custody of the police. So we want all police officers who are involved in this matter in any way not to wait to be interdicted, but to resign if possible, or action be taken by the National Police Service Commission, which is in charge of disciplinary control over the police, to direct their immediate suspension from the service.
Whoever did that, those who are the perpetrator, those who are in charge, or those who took part, and that is, we don't want to say who he was, but it is upon the DCI and the investigation agencies to tell us who is responsible for the death of our son, Albert Omondi Ojwang. Please, we need justice. We need justice for Ojwang.
But I want to speak to the police of this country, that they are Kenyans like any other person. They got an opportunity to be policemen. We have teachers, we have nurses, we have doctors like any other Kenyans serving other Kenyans. Let them not be misused. Let them refrain from doing things which they were not trained in their curriculum.
As a mother, and for all the women of this country, it is important that that officer steps aside or resigns to allow meaningful investigation to go on.
Are trained to obey and ensure that they comply with the law, that they respect the human rights, that they carry out their duties in a way that brings confidence and trust from the public.